Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're going to talk about a skincare set designed to tackle multiple skin concerns in one go. If you're looking for brightening, hydration, and a smoother, more youthful complexion, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. The set I'm reviewing today includes the Vit C Cleanser, Vit C Face Souffle, Vit C Brightening Tonic, and Vit C Energizing Face Masks, all by Rodial. It's a powerhouse of products promising to brighten, hydrate, and give your skin a glow from within. Before we dive into my experience with this set, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our honest beauty reviews. Now let's take a closer look at what this set offers. The Vit C Cleanser is packed with glycolic and lactic acids. These exfoliating ingredients are known for their ability to brighten and smooth the skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines. Then there's the Vit C Face Souffle, which combines hyaluronic acid to keep your skin plump and hydrated, along with niacinamide, which is excellent for giving your skin that youthful glow. The Vit C Brightening Tonic works with vitamin C, an antioxidant that targets skin radiance and evens out your skin tone, which is exactly what you want in a toner. Lastly, the Vit C Energizing Face Masks promise to give you a quick boost when your skin's looking tired or dull. In terms of how they work together, this set seems designed for dry skin. The combination of acids and hydrating ingredients really helps to improve texture, even tone, and overall appearance. I'll walk you through how each product performed for me. When I first incorporated this set into my skincare routine, I was struck by how smooth and refreshed my skin felt after the cleanser. It's a gel-based cleanser that doesn't strip the skin, but it does leave your face feeling thoroughly cleansed. I followed up with the Brightening Tonic, which had a nice, refreshing feel and wasn't overly harsh. My skin didn't feel tight or dry, which can be a risk with some toners containing exfoliating ingredients. As for the Face Souffle, I found it to be rich yet light, absorbing into the skin quickly without leaving a greasy residue. The niacinamide in it really does give the skin a glow, but it didn't cause any irritation or breakouts, which is key for sensitive skin types. It's perfect for layering under makeup, providing that healthy, radiant base. I've used the energizing face masks on days when my skin felt particularly dry or looked lackluster, and they've really helped to give my complexion a fresh, brightened look. You get 2 masks, and after leaving it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, my skin feels rejuvenated. I love the immediate boost of hydration. Now let's go over the pros and cons. On the positive side, I love the combination of exfoliating acids with hydrating ingredients. My skin feels smoother and looks more radiant. I also appreciate that the products work well together without being too harsh. The Face Souffle is a standout, leaving my skin nourished without any greasiness. On the downside, while the set is great, it might not be suitable for those with sensitive skin. Glycolic and lactic acids can be a little much if you have reactive skin. Also, while the price point reflects the quality, it may be a little steep for some. Speaking of price, let's talk value for money. This Rodial set isn't exactly budget-friendly, but it offers a high-quality mix of ingredients that really delivers on its promises. If you're looking for a more affordable option, you could try some drugstore brands with glycolic acid or niacinamide, but they may not be as potent or as well-rounded as this Rodial set. In terms of build quality, the packaging feels luxurious. The Face Souffle comes in a nice heavy jar, while the masks are in individually sealed packets, making them easy to use on the go. I'm confident these products will last a good while, especially considering you don't need a lot of each product for a full application. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this set, the link is in the comments. Now, regarding customer service, I've had a good experience with Rodial's support. They've been responsive to inquiries and provide detailed information on their products. I haven't needed any returns or exchanges, so I can't speak to that experience, but the general reputation is strong. There haven't been any major updates to these products recently, so what you see is what you get. However, keep an eye out in case Rodial tweaks the formulas in the future. As for alternatives, If you're after a budget-friendly option, you could try the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser for a gentle yet effective wash, and follow up with a Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel for that instant hydration boost. Though you might miss out on some of the active brightening ingredients, these alternatives will still work wonders on dry skin. In conclusion, the Rodial Vit C skincare set is a solid choice if you're looking to tackle dullness, dry skin, and uneven texture. While it's not the cheapest option, the quality of the ingredients makes it worth the investment for those who want a brighter, more radiant complexion. If you have dry skin or are looking to target signs of aging, this set would be a great addition to your routine. Thanks so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.